welcome to the FSR YouTube channel. And today we're taking a look at our CB-324 Plus ceiling box. The 324 is a 3-foot by 2-foot ceiling box. It's designed with a 4 RU rack cage inside, tiltable in either direction to provide full accessibility to the equipment inside the box. It has 3 options for it for cooling: a PoE fan, a powered fan, or no fan at all. It's got a lockable cover with an opening in the center that can be filled with ceiling tile, so the box itself disappears right into the ceiling. It has a mounting system that allows you to use threaded rods. You can get up to 100 pounds of gear inside the box. For more information on the CB-324 Plus ceiling box, visit our website at FSRinc.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the FSR YouTube channel.